Hey, my name is Alex Branning, and I want to introduce you to a brand new CRM software that actually works for insurance agents as they look to grow their business. My team has invested in creating a software package that does everything you're looking for, organizes your leads, calls leads as they come in, and more. I want to show you some of the features that we have. First of all, our CRM talks to Facebook, ClickFunnels, and over 2,000 other platforms, so all of your leads are in one place. Number two, Agent CRM replaces all of your duct tape solutions. It is a CRM. You can send emails to your entire list. You can send text messages to your entire list. You can do voicemail drops to your entire list. Unlimited. You're not paying any extra for sending emails or sending text messages. It is an all-inclusive solution. The other thing about Agent CRM is it can actually listen to your website and help you follow up with leads right away. We have technology where when a lead comes in, we will call you. When you push a button, we will connect you using the phone number of your lead so that you are on the phone right away. I would love for you to go to agent-crm.com, see all of the features that we have created for you, and give it a try. My name's Alex Branning. If you have any questions while you're setting up your account or while you're using it, reach out to me and my team. We are here to help. Hey, I'm Alex. Please click the subscribe link below, and there is a link in the description so that we can hop on a call together. My passion is to help entrepreneurs like you save time and make more money. I have courses, software, and done-for-you services to that end. I would love to chat with you. Click on the link below. I'll talk to you soon.